That piece I put in there, right?
Yeah.
It went like this.
Yeah.
And the car stayed on the ground.
That's a good sign.
Yeah, that's a plus. Okay, how about that?
So this is timely because there is a new acquisition in the TR3 wrench fleet that likely has some similar issues. That's all I'm going to say about that. Hi-ho, Keegan the Vlog here. Welcome back to a rare edition of BMW Wrench Time.
Oh my God. Oh my goodness. So.
Yep. So this car has undergone quite the extensive set of surgeries. The prognosis is good, but it took a lot of work to get it to where you see it right now. So let's just get into it.
We have a transmission jack somewhere?
Yes.
So what I have to do is put that under the subframe, rear subframe on the driver's side, right there.
Yeah.
Right.
We have a spin stand too.
Well, that's what I want to use because I got to swing that arm out of the way.
Yeah.
So we can fix the rust.
All right, so we haven't finished a BMW yet. We're just going to take apart another one.
We're taking it apart. That's what we do here.
We take it apart. We can take BMWs apart, but we can't put them back together.
Put them back together. I mean, the 7's doing pretty good, I think.
That reminds me, I got to make a phone call about my potential BMW.
Yeah, what's going on with that?
I think he made the decision to actually sell it, so we're one step closer.
Oh my. I can see the ground. Right?
Let's turn the light down there.
Here. Ooh. Ooh. That's okay. That's why we're here.
That's okay. She'll be back.
That's okay. She'll be back. Another Quaalude. She'll love me in the morning.
Comparably.
Are they both like that? Both sides like that?
I'm gonna open this up and see. They have both been repaired. I think this side is okay, but I'm opening it all up just in case. That's why the tank's coming out, because to do this side, if it needs anything done, the fuel tank has to come out together. Because that's what I need. I need my baby back. I need my baby back, baby back, baby back.
You know there's going to be a jump cut of Mike Myers in there, right?
Right.
Yeah, that's going to happen.
I want my baby back, baby back, baby back, baby back, baby back ribs. I want my baby back, baby back, baby back, baby back, baby back ribs.
Survey says.
It's not beautiful, but it's okay. I think I can see. You wanna?
Yeah.
I can spray. I don't see anything. Are you on?
Yeah.
I think I can get in there with. I have some that rust converter.
Yeah.
Right. So I'm just gonna get in there, spray in there.
Yeah.
Right. And try and work that.
Encapsulate it.
Yeah.
As far as you know. Where are we looking at?
Right here. Ready? What? Look. Come at it from this way. Ready? Yeah, that's what we're looking at.
Oof.
I forgot about that.
I just heard a couple of guys over here. What's going on?
Gas tank.
Yeah.
You know what these are?
Parking brake cables.
Guess where they go? Under the gas tank. Guess when it has to come off so I can get the gas tank out. Yeah.
Oh, that sucks.
Well, thank you. I feel better now. Like carnage. Don't try this at home, kids. We are trained professionals.
We're not. We're absolutely not trained.
Nothing
We're
professional.
certainly not trained. So, you know, take the car apart to fix the rust really is what it boils down to.
Yeah, basically, disassembling the entire vehicle.
Yeah.
Right, the problem is,
Well, here are your connection. Here are your hoses right here. Can you
Well,
disconnect them from there?
I don't know if that's where they are and they just sit on top of the tank. I can't remember.
Aha!
Is it just a rubber plug?
It's just a rubber plug.
So do you have that end? Yeah. Can you lift? That plug out?
Yeah.
Lay it down. Yep. Your end up. Your end up.
Yep.
Right. Just work it back here. Because then it keeps.
Yeah.
But I mean, it comes, you know, to here. You can see.
Yep. Yep.
Right? I mean,
Yep.
you know, this is good. That's why I got that rocker. So, you know, I think from here, my concern, of course, is
This is our concern, dude.
not quite sure I want to look out here.
Oof. Oof.
Not quite sure I want to look. Well, I have a full rocker, so you know what I mean? So this, right, is the jack tube.
Yeah. Is it bent?
It's rusted. I was jacking the car off with it one day. You can just hear it crunching. It's like great. Yeah, see the whole inner rocker, right where it attaches,
Oh man.
is,
You're gonna have to cut a hole in that to get in there.
well, yeah, if we can just curtail it for a little bit, at some point, the whole carpet's gonna have to come out, right? Seats and carpet and all that. And then
Yeah.
I'm just gonna have to, you know, cut into that rocker.
Is that in a minute? Yeah. I'm not in it. Let it warm up a little bit. This is really nice work. That could probably hold the car again.
Yeah,
How about that?
missed all the rebuilding of the structure. I don't know if you came in and saw it.
No, I didn't.
I got some pictures. I'll send it to you.
Yeah, please do. This is cool.
Shame we had to start with other old parts, but
Yeah, it is what it is.
It's
So
all
where did you
parts.
actually get this piece here?
there was a big blue rocker pin right there.
No kidding.
So I cut that all apart,
Yeah,
and then I salvaged what I could, and then rebuilt the rest of it,
got it.
and then cut that all apart. But that little pockets made and everything.
Yeah.
The lamp was-
Yeah. Yep. Wow. Looks really nice.
It looked good when it's done.
Heck yeah.
I'm gonna the holes stay there because they're for the clips.
Okay.
But once it's all around there. it's
Yeah.
smooth.
Yep.
I mean, it's not gonna be perfect, but
No.
he's undercoating it.
Okay.
Hey, do you have, while I'm thinking about it, do you have my carpet knife?
Yes. It's right there.
Later.
Look at this,
All right, I got
man.
the coating on. I got. It's not beautiful, but it's
Jerome, this looks really
way
good.
better than it was. At least it's solid now. I seam sealed the crap
Yeah.
out of this and undercoated everything.
I'm really impressed with Rob's work. This is a smart way to do it, by the way.
How about that?
The dual spin stands, as opposed to like having,
As opposed to when we took it out?
Yeah, the way we took it out, yeah. Yeah.
Take it out.
Holding
one?
it, yeah.
With one in the middle.
All right, check it out.
I'm having a small
Major surgery.
359,000 miles on it. This
Will the car actually raise?
is designed to do this.
That's a good sign.
Yeah, that's a plus. Okay, how about that? Haven't been able to do that in forever and a day. Wowzer, Batman.
So this is timely because there is a new acquisition in the TR3 wrench fleet that likely has some similar issues. That's all I'm going to say about that.